Okay, we got Froggy on the fryer.
Yes.
Take one.
I named him Vernon.
Vernon. Okay.
Ready?
Vernon, get on the
catch him.
thing. Okay, here we go. You ready? And let's electrocute.
Vernon.
Oh shit! Okay. Okay, but let's put him back on. Oh fuck! He's upside down.
He's bleeding.
Oh, he's bleeding. Catch him before he bleeds on the carpet.
Ready?
He's bleeding?
Yes, here.
Oh! Fuck! Get him!
Now what?
Okay, I guess we gotta take him outside and chunk him. Okay. Okay, come on. Bye, Vernon.
Do I get a paper towel?
Oh, man. Copper's after him.
Ooh, did you see that?
No.
Blood.
Oh, man. Okay, sorry, Vernon.
Look.
Vernon blood. Okay. Now we're about to catch and release. Bye, Vernon. Okay, come on.
Fun.
Come on.
It's your expense.
Catch and release.
Now what do we do with him?
We're about to chunk him out the door. Okay. Bye, Vernon. Okay.
Live long and prosper.
I know. Okay. All right.
Any other animals?
Okay, and